Howdy everyone. Hey, so we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the one bedroom at the Urby. So this is the one bedroom. It is so adorable. We're gonna have to split. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough and then we're gonna do some detailed walkthroughs. But we're filming this with a new camera, by the way. The colors are gonna be much more vivid. This is gonna really show off how beautiful this is. Look at this detail. Look at this beautiful kitchen. And this is very high-end, kind of a European kind of feel. It is beautiful. It's so clean, so white. All the lines that are here. Look at these appliances. Everything about this is just stunning. The walls are super, super white. And then look at this, these views that you're gonna have. Look at this. This is your apartment. This is about a 700 or so square feet apartment. 700 and I think it's 50 actually, and it feels more like 1,000 because it's so well designed. But you're gonna have spectacular views like this. Isn't this amazing? This is the kind of place you want to be in and when you come to Dallas. And let me tell you, it's been super popular with my clients. They absolutely love it. So this is a quick walkthrough. Now we're going to do a couple more walkthroughs that are more detailed, but I wanted to give you a feel of it and keep watching these videos. By the way, if you want more information right away, there's a number below. You can text on that number, and the number that's going to go straight to me. I'll get you more information about availability and pricing for the Urby. This is a wonderful place. You're going to love it, and I highly recommend this beautiful building. All right, let's go to the next video.